How do I implement interfaces in Python? How do I implement Python equivalent of this C# code? Is this a good idea? Please give examples in your answers.
As mentioned by other here, interfaces are not necessary in Python. This is because Python has proper multiple inheritance, and also duck typing, which means that the places where you must have interfaces in Java, you don't have to have them in Python. That said, there are still several uses for interfaces. Some of them are covered by Python's abstract base classes, introduced in Python 2.6. They are useful if you want to make base classes that cannot be instantiated, but provide a specific interface or part of an implementation. Another usage is if you somehow want to specify that an object implements a specific interface, and you can use ABCs for that too by subclassing from them. Another way is Zopay.interface, a module that is a part of the Zopay component architecture, a really awesomely cool component framework. Here you don't subclass from the interfaces, but instead mark classes, or even instances, as implementing an interface. This can also be used to look up components from a component registry. Super cool.
Implementing interfaces with abstract-based classes is much simpler in modern Python 3, and they serve a purpose as an interface contract for plugin extensions. Create the interface/abstract-based class. Create a normal subclass and override all abstract methods. You can optionally have common implementation in the abstract methods as in create_sale_invoice, calling it with super explicitly in the subclasses above. Instantiation of a subclass that does not implement all the abstract methods fails. You can also have abstract properties, static and class methods by combining corresponding annotations with that abstract method. Abstract-based classes are great for implementing plugin-based systems. All imported subclasses of a class are accessible via _subclasses_, so if you load all classes from a plugin directory with importlib.import_module and if they subclass the base class, you have direct access to them via _subclasses_, and you can be sure that the interface contract is enforced for all of them during instantiation. Here's the plugin loading implementation for the accounting system example above. Then you can access the accounting system plugin object through the accounting system class. Inspired by this PyMop 3 post.
Using the ABC module for abstract base classes seems to do the trick.
I invite you to explore what Python 3.8 has to offer for the subject matter in form of structural subtyping, static duck typing, PEP 544. See the short description, this URL. For the simple example here it goes like this. FooMyAuthor class will fail static type checks. In addition, you can specify the base class explicitly, for instance. But note that this makes methods of the base class actually available on the subclass, and thus the static checker will not report that a method definition is missing on the myauthor class. So in this case, in order to get a useful type checking, all the methods that we want to be explicitly implemented should be decorated with an abstract method.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.